Hello students, hope you are doing good. Watch the whole class till end without skipping even single second, as you might miss the very important information. So due to the pandemic situation, as per the government guidelines, no educational institution is permitted to conduct the offline classes or physical classes. So we, the management, have decided to conduct our online classes through Zoom app for groups MPC, BIPC and MEC. The subjects are Mathematics A and B, Physics Chemistry for BIPC subjects, Botany, Zoology, Physics, Chemistry. For MEC, the subjects Maths A and B. These all classes are going to be conducted on the Zoom app. The next thing is, after a lot of research and testing on the technical aspects for the betterment of our students, we have decided to conduct the classes on Zoom. Then here are the steps for attending the classes on Zoom. Before that, let me make it clear that the classes for languages will be taken later on. As of now, we are concentrating on the core subjects. So the steps in order to attend the class on Zoom are: first you need to download the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. You need to download the Zoom Cloud Meeting app from the App Store, and once it is getting downloaded, you need to click on the Zoom icon, and after that you will be shown a page. On that you will be having old ID and a new IDs option. If you already have an ID, then you need to click on the option sign in. And if you do not have any old ID, you need to create a new one. Then you need to sign up, where you need to fill the basic details such as your email ID, date of birth and phone numbers. Then the second thing is the basic profile. You need to click on the basic profile and enter your full name, daughter of and your group. This is very important, as your attendance is based on this information, so do mention it accurately. Your name, your father name and group. Then you are going to receive a link on your WhatsApp group, and it will be showing you the respective timetable schedule. So according to that, you need to attend your classes, and once the class gets started, you need to click on the joint audio option, which is mentioned at the bottom line. At the bottom line, you have the first tab, that is joint audio. You need to click on there. Then as soon as the class gets started, you try to just mute yourself in order to have the smooth functioning of the class. Then you try to keep your phone on flight mode, so that to avoid unnecessary calls in the middle of your classes. Then on video and sit in front of the camera while attending the classes, and it is mandatory for each and every student to maintain notes, and the exams shall be conducted, and the checking of your notes will be done on a strict note. It is mandatory for the students to use headphones while attending the class for the best voice quality. Then the timetable will be posted on your college WhatsApp group regarding your online classes. If at all, if you have any doubt during the class, you need to click on this last tab, which is there at the bottom line, that is more. If you click here, you have several options. You need to raise your hand and ask your doubt after the completion of class. Then each and every student must ensure attend all the online classes which is going to be conducted on the Zoom app, because these classes are not going to be repeated once again, and you need to attend it without fail. If we found that any student have not attended the class, will be expelled from the institution by giving a TC. So this is the information and steps how to attend the classes on Zoom. Many of you are already familiar how to use the Zoom app, but still it's our duty to give a demo how to attend the classes on Zoom step by step. The next thing is the general guideline for the students. Like every student must maintain a particular routine for attending the classes with an active mind and full concentration. You need to refresh yourself, then have your breakfast and keep revising whatever the topics have been taught before the class starts. Then the second thing, you need to submit your original documents at your college by collecting it from your schools. If your school have not received the original documents, whenever it is received, the very next day you can come and submit in the campus. Do not delay the submission of the original documents, as well as you need to submit your BIE application form as early as possible. Then the third thing is about scholarship. The scholarship for state, central and any other scholarship, the parents and students need to have patience during the whole task, as it is a very hectic procedure for scholarship. So instead of making calls, because it leads to miscommunication between the parent as well as the management, you just try to message it on the helpline number, or if possible you can also visit the campus. The fourth point is, it is the duty of the students. It is the duty of the students to listen to each and every point which I am saying, and to go through each and every information which we are getting posted on the WhatsApp group. And you need to look after your studies and make sure that you are added in the WhatsApp group. If you are not added, you need to text your number in the WhatsApp group. Then what the internet connectivity which we are using is of very high speed, and it is recommended for you to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because if you use the mobile data, might be you don't have that much of clarity and you might face some network issues. Then if you have any queries regarding any online classes or any doubt if you have, you can clarify using the helpline number during the official timings only, that is between 9 AM to 5 PM, by mentioning your name, father name as well as group. For example, it's R. Rani, daughter of R. Raju from group CAC first year. Then with respect to your study materials are concerned, you can come and collect it from your campus in the month of July. At what date, we are going to inform you soon in the WhatsApp group. The charges for MEC group are 1500, and for MEC, MPC and BIPC, the charges for the study materials is rupees 2000. I hope I have explained you each and every single information which I need to, and if at all if you face any technical issue, please do avoid it and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. The reason for this is you are going to get the notification as soon as you get a new class. Thank you. Have a nice day.